In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download a receipt from Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log into your account. If you are a buyer, the easiest way to access your receipt is through the purchase confirmation email sent by Gumroad after checkout. Open the email connected to your purchase and look for the receipt or purchase confirmation message. Inside the email, click on the View Content or Receipt link. From there, you can access your purchase details and download or save the receipt for your records. If you cannot find the email, check your spam, promotions, or updates folders because Gumroad emails may sometimes appear there. You can also search your inbox for keywords like Gumroad, receipt, or the product name. If you are a seller and want to access customer receipts, log into your Gumroad dashboard and go to the Sales section from the left sidebar. Here, you will see all customer transactions and purchases. Open the specific sale you want to review, and you can view the order details, payment information, and receipt related to that purchase. Depending on the transaction, you may also be able to download invoices or export sales details directly from the dashboard. Downloading receipts is useful for tracking purchases, refunds, taxes, and accounting records. And that's how to download a receipt from Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.